Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use the Miro board in conferences, webinars, and distance education at Proficonf. The Miro board for teamwork and distance learning is integrated with Proficonf, and you don't need to use a separate application or screen demonstration. Miro board is available for all Proficonf plans, including free. Create an instant, scheduled event, or permanent room and invite participants. Go to the Share Center. Choose the section with Miro, and if you are not registered in this service, click Create Board without registration, or click Sign in for creating an account. If you are not registered, you can use the full functionality aside from saving the whiteboard, which will be deleted after 24 hours since its creation. Participants of the conference in Proficonf do not need to register in Miro, they can use its functionality together with the event host. This is what the board looks like without registering in Miro. A quick registration will give you an opportunity to set up whiteboards before the event, or save them in your Miro account and use them permanently. When you switch to the selected board, you can also customize the access level for members. Anyone can edit. Anyone can comment. Anyone can view, participants can only view. Private registration is required for all participants. The whiteboard will be available at any time and can be prepared for the event in advance. Participants of the Proficonf conference do not need to register with Miro. Miro is an interactive virtual whiteboard with many tools. Support many media formats. Illumination with colored markers, using stickers, ability to write and draw geometric shapes. Real-time work, especially convenient for leaving comments. You can attach stickers to documents, etc. All actions are displayed in a special panel. Uses mouse cursor highlighting function. Supports teamwork. Wide range of templates. Note: the whiteboard editing feature from phones is not available yet. Viewing mode and zooming only. With the help of Miro board, you can not only evidently show something to students, but also organize a project and teamwork, visualize the process, brainstorm, and finally, conduct an exciting, interactive lesson. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.